YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. It's your man Tech King Mike. So, you got yourself a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You want to know the best way to protect this $1,200 or $1,400 investment. Well, a lot of people will tell you, go get this case, go get that case. A lot of people will tell you that you need a thin case because it's a big phone. A lot of people will tell you you need a super bulky case because the camera bump is horrendous. A lot of people will tell you a lot of stuff about what you need for this phone. I, on the other hand, am going to tell you about the best case, in my opinion, for a device like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I know that there are some of you out there that don't like when people say the best case, but in my opinion, I think if you're using your phone like I am, aka a truck driver or a construction worker or somebody who's out there in the elements every single day, I think the case that I'm about to show you is going to be one of the better ones that you can get for the device. And would you believe me if I told you the case is less than $25? That's right, folks. I am going to introduce you. Hold on. I got it right here behind me. Let me grab it real quick. Oh, crap. I dropped my damn phone. I didn't have the case on it. Son of a... Yes, indeed. That's right, folks. We are talking about the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, here's the reason why I like these cases. I'm a long-time user of OtterBox cases. I mean, I use OtterBox cases religiously for years. And I'm going to be honest with you. I was one of those people that thought Amazon cases were cheap, thought Amazon cases weren't worth the money. And somebody put me on game and told me I needed to check these cases out. So I went on ahead and ordered some and decided to start checking them out years ago. And I can honestly say I've been hooked ever since. So this one that we're going to take a look at first is the Gul'dan. Let me bring that up so you can see the Gul'dan. So the Gul'dan, as you can see, is a green color. But what do you get when you get a Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? What you get with this case is a nice sturdy clip. Now, I know there are some out there that say the belt clip needs to go, but in my opinion, the belt clip don't need to go nowhere. Dad clips for life. I'm with it. So you get yourself a nice sturdy belt clip. No, this is not like a typical OtterBox. This does not turn into a kickstand, but what it does do is provide your phone a nice seating place to sit on. There's even a little spot on the case that gives you a little nice rubber texture here to protect the screen of the phone. But you won't really need that because the case itself does a really good job of protecting the phone. So now that you've seen how that looks, we don't need that anymore. Let's go ahead and get into the actual case itself. So you can see on the case itself, you got a nice raised lip around the case, big old cutout for that big old camera bump because God forbid the camera bump get messed up. So you got a nice cutout for a big old camera bump, and you got a nice kickstand back here. Now, when I tell y'all this is a nice solid kickstand, I mean it when I say this is a nice solid kickstand. You can really see that they put a lot of effort into making sure that this thing sits up right. Now, because of the way that I'm behind the camera, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. Y'all might not see me put it down, but let me see if I can stretch it out. Let's see if I can stretch it out. Put it back down. Bye. There you go. Boom. There it is. I was able to put it down. I'm stretching. There it is. Now, we'll cut the camera off. We'll put the phone inside of the case so you guys can see what it looks like inside of the case. And then I'll show you the other colors as well, just so you can get an idea of what they'll all look like if you decided you wanted to pick one up for your phone, because I have all 5 colors. That's right, 4 nice, cool colors. And there's even one for the ladies or fellas if you rip the Laker gang. So let's check them out and see what they look like on the case, shall we? Said, bang, these are all the colors that you can get for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in this amazing protective case. Now, you guys can see I went on ahead and put my phone inside of it. This is the Rudan green. You also have, the Gul'dan green. You also have a red color as well. That's a metallic red. Look at how that shines, man. That's a dope color. You also got your matte black everything. So if you're one of those gangsters that just like to have all black everything, you got your all black here as well. You got my favorite color, which is probably gonna be the one that my phone goes in after this video, the blue one. And of course you have the violets for the ladies out there. So ladies, if you like these other colors as well, not discriminate, neither one of these other colors are dope, but you know, ladies, I mean, just check that out. This is actually a dope color in itself. Kind of reminds me of Thanos. I might just have to rock this color with my Infinity Gauntlet, but I won't be able to hold the phone because the gauntlet's too big. Anyway, getting sidetracked. So like I said, as you can see, when you put the phone inside of the case, you get yourself a nice protection against the camera bump. Once again, clips inside just fine. Just pops inside of the clip. So nice and protected inside of the phone. So we'll take the clip once again. We don't need the clip anymore. So when you're inside of the case, as you can see, power button works just fine. You got your volume up and down that work as well. You can hear that click, works just fine. Charging port is covered. You do have good access to the S Pen, so that's a plus. You got access to the S Pen. Should have been on this side of the phone, but we're not gonna talk about that. That's old and done and over with. You also have plenty of protection for that camera bump. As you can see, the camera bump is not even flush in there. It's actually got a nice little lip inside of there. I actually have a cover on my camera bump, so that's another thing that I did to protect it. But you also have these nice raised corners on the phone to give you some really good drop protection. So this is a really nice case. The only thing that it's missing, however, is a screen protector. But I do feel like having such a nice case, it does make the screen a little bit easier to use, does make it a little bit more flush. So I do think that you'll be just fine if you choose to pick one of these up. But yeah, that is the Samsung Galaxy Lord Jesus, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for this device. Like I said, I'll have links in the description down below if you're interested in one of these. Make sure you pick one up. I am about to put mine on my hip and go to the store and look like someone's father, even though I'm not. Babe, if you're watching this, I love you, but don't clown me when you see this video. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Be easy.